Now, the problem is whenever you are writing the text on a file, so the whole text will be written in one line only, even if you are writing it again and again and again, even if you are going for append mode or writing mode. The text will be written in one line only. How I can go to the next line after that, write the text in that manner? Like I have written one line, go to the next line. Means whenever I'm taking the input from the user to enter new thing, that will be automatically written in the next line. How I can do that? That is something we are going to discuss today. So yes, just jump into it and I'll see you as always on the other side. Let's discuss how we can add more and more number of lines in single line of code, on a same text file. Now, if you want to add multiple lines in a same text file, first of all, the file should be opened in append mode. Okay. If file does not exist, it will create a file. If it exists, it will overwrite on that particular file. Now this time I'm writing the first line for the first time, like hello everyone. Okay, this is something I'm writing. If I'm executing it, here you can see in the file I'm having hello everyone. Now if I'm executing it again, so I'm having the text in the same line again. If I want to add a new line here, what I need to do now, you might know that whenever we are taking the paragraph, when we are working on how to count the paragraphs, so then we have discussed that we are having a concept of something called as /n. What is /n? /n represents a new line in a raw text format. Means if at the end I'm writing /n, okay, and executing it. So here you can see it doesn't make any sense, like hello everyone is still written. But if I'm executing it again and going back and opening the file, here you can see now hello everyone is written in the next line. Same thing if I'm executing it again, it is in the next line. Means whenever you are completed with a particular line, what you need to do, you need to write a /n at the end. Okay, so for example, let's do one thing. Let's take the input from the user now. So we're taking the input from the user, enter the text, right? So we are taking input from the user and whatever we are getting, let's suppose I'm writing a txt text. Whatever we are getting, we are going to write it on our text file or our txt. Okay. Now what I need to do, whatever user is writing, I'm going to append a /n at the end with the full stop as well, let's suppose. Okay, means in case user forget the full stop, I'll write full stop at the end, I'll go for /n so that it will go to the next line. Okay, whatever I'll get at the end, I'll write it on my text file. So now if I'm executing it, enter the text. So I'm writing hello everyone. How are you all? Okay, I'm writing I'm hoping you guys are doing great as always. My favorite line. So now if I'm going through it, I've done it, right? So I can write something like this so that it can make a difference. Okay, now if I'm going back, opening this test file, so here you can see hello everyone, I'm hoping you guys are doing great as always. Here this full stop is automatically written. I have not written it, it is added from here. If I'm executing this line again, right, so it will again ask you from a few things, and I'm writing today we are going to discuss about, let's suppose, file handling. If I'm executing it, going back, we need to close the file, opening the file again. So here you can see today we are going to discuss about file handling. So this is a new line which is written here. How I have done it, I have just used a concept which is of file handling, or basically a /n. How I can add new data in the next line, I can use the concept of /n. Even if you are executing it for multiple times, every time you are executing it, it will add a full stop at the end and it will go to the next line as well. Okay, so it's going to be used when you want to save your data permanently. So from permanently, I mean to say until unless you are deleting it. If you are deleting it, then obviously it would get deleted. So if I'm going back, closing the file and opening the file again, here you can see it is going to be used. It's going to be used when you want to save your data permanently. Full stop, edit automatically, /n edit automatically. Okay, this is how you can add multiple data on the next line, right? Or more number of lines into a code that into a text file that will look even better as well. Okay, and how we have done it, we have automated this process as well, that we are taking the input from the user, and after that we are writing a full stop and the /n, and after that I'm writing on a text file. So that's how you can write data on a file in multiple lines. Now in the next lecture we are going to discuss about how to handle data, and after that we will also discuss about how to use inventory management system type of project using just file handling. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next session. Take care. So we have discussed now about like how the things are working to write the text in the next line in a corpus, right? Or in a text file to be more specific. So if you're still having any doubt in that, we are having the discussion session for you. Otherwise, I'll see you as always in the next video. Take care then.